welcome to Bhavani Jewellers Liberty Plaza Wedding, Hyderabad. We are happy to invite you to join with us in celebrating of our Golden Jubilee 50th anniversary on 3rd February 2017.
You can experience our new collection with exciting offers on all our unique designs.
మీరందరూ తప్పకుండా రావాలి.